This is street view. It's recycle day. This is the house with my car door open, and that's the other side of the duplex. Garage. I wore my boots with the heels today, so you'll hear me clip-clopping. Need some WD-40 on the front door. Okay. The kitchen is to the right as you come in the front door. Granite countertops and white cabinets. And that's your eat-in kitchen area. And then this is the one-car garage. WD-40 needed there also. Got some shelves here. Back through the kitchen, we have a coat closet. I have WD-40 in my car. I have half of mine to go spray the doors. And then here is the living dining area. It's a pretty big room. And this side is the dining area. And then this is the living area. And this is the first full bathroom. And across from it, we have a linen closet. Then the first bedroom. And it has a walk-in closet. Then between the bedrooms is the laundry room. And the master bedroom, which I hear we are now to call the primary bedroom, but everything still says master bedroom. And it has a bigger walk-in closet. I do not have my tape measure in the car, thanks to my husband. But I'll try to give you a feel for how big this room is. This is the master bath. That's a nice shower, in my opinion. Easy to get into, and it has a built-in seat. Okay, I'm going to try to give you a feel for how big this room is. Now I've come back through the living room, and this is the sunroom. Drop my mask. This is the backyard. That's the other half of the duplex, and they've got their yard done in with a little picket fence. Everything's kind of brown right now because it is winter. But there is some landscaping work to be done, which I believe the homeowners association would be the one doing it. Now this looks like a community walking path behind here. And a little creek. And on the other side of here, right through these woods, is a pond. So this is what the backyard view is. And that would be your house right there. Since I don't have a measuring tape with me, I'm going to try to give you a feel for how big this second bedroom is. But it's a pretty large room. These houses are designed with the idea that you might have a housemate, and that you would want to give them plenty of their own space. So this road ends in a cul-de-sac, so there's not a lot of through traffic here. But this is the street scene on the second house. It is a detached house, so it stands alone. And I thought this was owner occupied, but looking at it now, it looks like the owners have already moved out. So this is the entry. It's got the parquet flooring. Coat closet. And then here is the kitchen. Now this one has a flat top stove, and it also has a refrigerator. The last house did not have a refrigerator. These appliances look... Okay, starting over again. A neighbor came over to talk to me and tell me they want to put their house up for sale, and they want me to come look at it. So, we're still in the kitchen. got a pantry. And it has a separate dining room. How about that? Separate dining room with windows all around and a door to the backyard. And then the living room and we'll go back through the kitchen. It's not very bright in here. There aren't many lights. And the lights that are here have dim bulbs. One-car garage. Looks like the laundry is in the garage. I'm back in the front hall. Front door to my right. Coat closet. Living room straight through there. And there's a little hallway here. Here's our first full bath. This is our first bedroom, the one that faces the street. Back in the hallway. This has Berber carpet in the hallway, so you can't hear my boots clacking. And here's our second full bath. And this would be the master bedroom because it has a really big walk-in closet. Interesting setup. Okay, so we're in the master bedroom, overlooking the backyard. And we have the walk-in closet, and then this bathroom, the pink bathroom, would be the master bathroom. It has a fairly low step and a built-in seat. And grab bars. Now this is the backyard coming from, I'm standing now in the dining room. So we're going out a side door between the dining room and the living room. This is the patio. Some flower beds, some brick pavers. More flower beds on this side. Doesn't look like the people directly behind here use the backyard. It looks more like they just have a narrow dog run there. And you can't see the patios and porches of the people on either side.